Imagine a disaster site, vast, hazardous, and inaccessible. Now, imagine a swarm of drones, rapidly covering this terrain, identifying survivors, and assessing damage. Welcome to the future of disaster response. Swarm drones are fleets of unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with sensors, cameras, and communication systems. They perform coordinated search, rescue, and reconnaissance missions in disaster-affected areas. But what sets these drones apart is the power of swarm intelligence algorithms and autonomous navigation. These features enable the drones to quickly deploy, survey, and map disaster sites, making them invaluable in situations where every second counts. With the ability to identify survivors and assess infrastructure damage in hazardous or inaccessible environments, these drones enhance situational awareness, response coordination, and overall efficiency. They pave the way for faster and more effective emergency assistance and humanitarian aid delivery. These aren't just drones. They are a game changer in disaster response. So why are swarm drones revolutionizing disaster response? It's all about speed, efficiency, and safety. Imagine the aftermath of a natural disaster, with areas too hazardous or inaccessible for human responders. Enter swarm drones, fleets of unmanned aerial vehicles, each one a hero equipped with sensors, cameras, and communication systems. These drones, leveraging swarm intelligence algorithms and autonomous navigation, can quickly deploy to survey and map disaster sites. They are the eyes in the sky, identifying survivors amid the chaos, assessing the extent of infrastructure damage, and providing crucial data in real time. Their coordinated efforts enhance situational awareness, streamline response coordination, and ramp up efficiency in disaster management operations. The result? Faster, more effective emergency assistance and humanitarian aid delivery when every second counts. With swarm drones, we're not just talking about improving disaster response, we're talking about a game changer. Swarm drones are not just improving disaster response, they are redefining it. The impact of swarm drones is significant, and it's only just beginning. As we venture further into this epoch of technological advancements, we see a transformative shift in disaster response strategies. The latest developments in swarm drones are not only fascinating, but also life-saving. These unmanned aerial fleets, equipped with high-tech sensors, cameras, and communication systems, are revolutionizing disaster management. Imagine a disaster site, hazardous and inaccessible. Now picture a fleet of swarm drones, swiftly deploying, surveying, and mapping the area, identifying survivors, assessing infrastructure damage, and enhancing situational awareness, all autonomously. This is no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality that's making a real difference in disaster management operations worldwide. These advancements are improving response coordination, efficiency, and speed of emergency assistance and humanitarian aid delivery. Swarm drones are reshaping the way we respond to disasters, making us quicker, smarter, and more efficient. Welcome to a new era of disaster response.